The operation steps of the vibrating screen of the asphalt ball press are as follows. Check whether the screws of the spring and various parts are loose before electrification, whether the amount of oil between the bearings meets the requirements, screen body and spring have cracks, whether the triangle belt is worn or broken, screen mouth is clean, there is no broken net or blockage. The dust removal machine damper should be closed before starting the equipment. When the interlocks start, when receiving the pre-start signal, the accident switch can be switched on. The device starts with the system. When running without lock, the device can be started separately. After the vibrating screen works normally, open the fan damper. Normal parking is carried out by the operating platform. When working without locking, after the material in the screen has been discharged, you can press the stop button beside the machine to stop. After stopping, the accident switch should be cut off.